Now this is the shop. It's a warehouse, and this warehouse right here is a supplier. And then also this right here is my truck. Yeah, that's the press up there. We use the press to press these solid tires. Some of them are solids. This right here is a press on, because that's how it looks with the, because it has a steel around it in the inside. See that steel in the inside? It's a press on. These are called solids. There's no steel, and they're not pneumatic because they have no air. So those are, you got to press those on too, using that press right there. That's a press machine. Now for the real big ones that you see up here, these huge tires. You know, if you want to go that way, you don't have to go that way. You use this, which is a big press. This is a huge press. This presses it all. Big tires. If you want to do those huge ones up there, and those are big tires. These are huge. These are for industrial forklifts, the big ones that go on dirt. You see, they got traction on them. Then you got slicks. Those are the ones for warehouses. And you got your compressor right there in your truck, because you're going to need a compressor to take the tires off of forklifts. You have all your equipment here. You have your stock, and these trucks go out and they handle their business. But at the same time, you don't have to get this big. You can have a dually with just the press on the back of it when you start off small. Industrial tires. And these are right here are cages. These are the cages that you need to have. You got different size cages, and these are stands. And these stands is what keep, either press the rim out of the tire, and these short ones right here are used for placing them on top of this, sort of like this here. And what that does is it keeps the rim, so the rim doesn't get smashed or bent up, so it holds the rim in place. And you have your press, and this is how it operates. It's really simple. Also, you have these stands too that are used. These stands are to use to push or to press press-ons, which we showed you that these right here are press-ons. The reason why they're press-ons is because of the fact that they have this steel band that's in the middle. And these, for an example, don't have the steel band. So those are called solid tires. And this is basically what we deal with. Solid industrial forklift tires. But at the same time, nobody wants to do this work because this is serious work. But each tire that you put on and press is $100. One tire. So if you're doing one whole forklift, which is 4 tires, that's $400 a job. So, and there's a lot of people that need forklift tires because nobody wants to do it. So all we have to do is get us, we don't even need a forklift. And this is the reason why I have the forklift, because they have to load those big heavy tires onto that press. And that's why there's a forklift. But if we're not doing those size tires, which the best tires to do for us just starting off is the biggest size, which is a GS 700s. Okay? 700s, a GS. These are the biggest tires we're going to do for forklift. Make a killing. Because we're going to do those, and then we're going to do these, which are slicks, you know, solid black press-ons. And then these, you got traction press-ons and you got slick press-ons. So that's all we're going to do, which is a lot of money, and it's not really that heavy, because in fact we're not going to go that heavy until we get established. Then we can go as heavy as we want. But right now we can do these, and we can do regular tires for cars, and we have a shop. So just give it some thought. Assalamu alaikum.